Magic kasi. Wow, very magical. It felt like I'm in the magic land. Church. Burger party.
Ay, dapat hindi ko magtalit. Ano yung aton gani? Is sa autumn? The hanging outside. Dito ka sa outside. Sige.
Thank you po. Grabe kang lighting ka na.
Fix na tayo. Fix na tayo. Ara dila o dila.
One camping ba?
Tapos na ka daan.
Kaptanan mo, ma'am.
Dito dila.
Ang isang mag-shake, isa na tayo. Kasi ito nyo, ma'am. Picture ata ka mo, ma'am.
Hindi, okay. Perfect. We're drunken outside.
Kumaya mo ka nga lighting sa house.
Saka, ma'am.
Ay, kaya this is Biscoff. How about ang ganda ng lighting?
Diba?
Para bang ang ganda ko dyan.
How about yours?
Mine's dark chocolate.
Have you tasted that before?
I haven't.
So let's go and taste it.
Budo na siya. Tatang budo. Lalo, wow.
Naman, gusto mo try?
This is trend. I don't like it. Do you want to see?
It's giving Biscoff.
Wala na lighting.
Oo, naglaw.
Diba? Sado ka mo? Mga party girls.
Pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars. I could really use a wish right now. The night sky like shooting stars. Like shooting stars. I could really use a wish right now. Wish right now.
Kasi, mapagabi lang ko rin. Mapagabi lang.
Night sky like shooting stars.
Eh, tao naman kanila. Wow! Nakikita na.
Pass na, pass.
Okay na. Sige, go. Go! Panasay na yun.
Go.
With Melissa! I'm drunk outside. We're outside Melissa. The day is almost done. Ala! Sino ka dyan?
Ako na lang ang feel in sa gap nga Miss,
Needing a boyfriend.
kamot ko lang din eh. Total, ano man ako kamot.
I had
Medyo big
a-
for a girl.
Yeah.
Pwede na ni kamot sa lalaki akong kamot. So, that's why.
Dami niyang ebas. Wala pa ako may ginawa. Damo na ako na. Damo na sa naman. Ka, ano na, 35 words per second.
Tabok ko tag-take.
I had a fun day with you and a blessed
naman ito
day.
nakita. Ay, feeling ko like to ka kapatay na lang ito in a normal basis.
Mag-church.
kung mahulat, nga may mga ganap-ganap na naman. Parang wala na kasi ganap
wala
kasi
naman
madlock
ko
na nga.
ganap. Ako wala na
Oh,
akong
tapos ikaw
replyan.
see? So, ew.
Bye.
Ay, loy-loy
This is the
naman
part
isa
we
abot.
said, say goodbye.
Boy, wala.
Pinky promise.
For the, Leon, wait for us.
Ayun. For the go.
Leon. Halong ka.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you for today and always.